Welcome to the installation demo for the OpenMoves Pipedrive integration. To use the OpenMoves connector, you must have an OpenMoves email marketing account. If you do not have one, you can go to openmoves.com and sign up for a free trial. To begin the installation, you must set up an OpenMoves API key. You can find the API key under your account settings in the Access section. Click on API Users and New User. Type in a description for the API key and enter a password. Click Save. You have now created the API key that you will be using in your Pipedrive integration. The OpenMoves connector can be found in the Pipedrive Marketplace under the categories Email Marketing or Marketing Automation. Click the Install Now button to get things started. Click Allow and Install. Once the OpenMoves connector has been installed, you will be taken to the Pipedrive integration platform. You will also receive an email with your login information for the platform, which you can use to change your settings at any time. Enter your OpenMoves API key and password into the form and click Submit to complete your installation. Now you can access all of your integration settings. All campaign reporting is updated by default. To change these settings, check or uncheck the boxes and click Submit. When the daily update runs the following morning, only the settings with checked boxes will be updated. Your custom field list is generated from your Pipedrive account. As you can see, email, name, and phone number are set to update by default and cannot be changed. To change which fields you wish to sync to OpenMoves, check or uncheck the corresponding boxes and click Submit. Any checked field will be synced to OpenMoves on the next contact update. If you are now ready to leverage the power of the OpenMoves email marketing platform with your Pipedrive account, install the OpenMoves connector today.